Investor complacency reaches record high as market jitters persist. Just how complacent are traders? The CNN Fear and Greed Index hit 79, extreme greed. The index hit 82 in February before the market sold off. The American Association of Individual Investors reported extreme bullish bias in the recent investor sentiment survey. The only issue is that the survey has historically been a contrarian indicator for the broader market. When 45% of investors think the market is going higher, there's nearly no one left on the other side of the transaction willing to bid the price higher. Last, but not least, is that the volatility index hit a yearly low, even after 3 days of the market selling off. Yes, the Fed chairman testified before Congress and mentioned more rate hikes are to come later this year. Most assume rate hikes will resume in July. Despite the market going down during this shortened trading week, the reality is that most investors don't seem too concerned. The Nasdaq 100 did fall short by over 1%, but many of those stocks were overbought, and these various sentiment indicators show that investors aren't expecting a major pullback anytime soon. In fact, here's a list of some of the top option transactions going into yesterday's close. TSLA August 23 to 400 calls, $135,229 time, 3:59 p.m. AMZN Jun 23 to 125 calls, $124,000 time, 3:42 p.m. MTCH August 23 45 calls, $109,218 time, 3:41 p.m. INTC Jan 24 41 calls, $207,164 time, 3:31 p.m. RBLX 7 July, 39 calls, $111,878 time, 3 p.m. RBLX 30 Jun, 40.5 calls, $100,122 time, 2:56 p.m. AMZN 30 Jun, 125 calls, $128,500 time, 2:52 p.m. With volatility hitting new lows, the price of options is also low. Option buyers took advantage of the sell-off yesterday and the low cost of options to jump back into the tech sector. I've mentioned it before, but now is the time to buy cheap insurance if you're worried about a broader pullback. And by insurance, I mean if you are one that likes hedging your portfolio using options, now would be the time to buy puts when they are cheap.